What's going on? Just got out of class. We're gonna hit up the Seguin skate park real quick. See if we can have some fun. Brought the bike out today. Just gonna warm up a little bit. So everything to the side. I was feeling like super tight the other night. You were? Forever to like warm up. Oh, at Jaws? Yeah. Wait, why? Because I didn't do anything.
You didn't sweat?
No.
Or you just chilled the whole day?
Just chilled all day.
We were like, let's go shred.
Like I had a killer headache all day.
Well, I see you rocking the all-terrain and the street tire.
Well, this bike's like 10 years old. How many miles have been put on this thing?
Probably like 50
million, yeah.
I wonder how many miles a bike you can put on a bike. Like a bicycle?
Probably a lot.
Yeah, but like, would it be like, how long would it take to put 50 miles on like a street? Okay. Oh, you.
Bro. Dude, you got that.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, why did you jump into it like that? Bro, yes you can. Yes you can. I can't bunny hop off that yet. Can you get up it and wheelie?
I think my bars are moving.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I got it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Right there. There you go. It was a quick little hit at the good old Seguin skate park. The place is so smooth.
Oh, wait, fuck.
So we're at Jaws right now. We're just gonna get a few little rips in before head home.